Hi guys! Welcome to Josie channel!
Quarter 3, Week 8, Day 2. Here is the objective to describe how heat travels in liquid materials. Come on, let's have fun while learning. Let's have a short review. Kindly identify the materials, whether it is conductor or insulator. Please write your answers on your notebook. Now let's check your answers. For number 1, wooden spoon, the answer is insulator. For number 2, plastic straw, the answer is insulator. Number 3, metal key. You're right, it is conductor. Number 4, pencil. Yeah, it is insulator. And lastly, metal spoon, it is conductor. I do hope you got a perfect score. Let me ask you this. During summer season, what do you like to do? Wow, that's nice. Can you describe the flow of the wind and breezes on the seashore or riverbanks? Very good. Here is a sample illustration of the sea and land breezes. So during daytime, air over the land is heated. It rises and expands. So the cool air over the sea moves towards the land. That's why you feel a refreshing breeze by the seaside during daytime. For better understanding, you will have a group activity. It was entitled, How Does Heat Travel Through Liquid Materials? All you need are water, mango seeds, stove, casserole, and thermometer. Just follow this simple instruction and please be careful in handling the materials. If you don't have the materials with you, you can watch this simple video clip. Please watch and observe. And now, let's have your group presentation. What happens to the temperature of the water after 3 minutes? You're right. The temperature of water rises. What did you notice about the movement of the mango seeds in the casserole? Very good. The mango seeds seem to dance and move in a random circular manner. What could you infer about the temperature of the water based on activity? Very good. So as the water at the bottom of the casserole gets heated, the temperature rises. The heat coming from the water at the bottom of the casserole was passed on to the rest of the water in the container. The random motion of the mango seeds illustrates the heat that is being transferred. How does heat travels in liquids? You're right. It travels slowly. The transfer of heat from one place to another by movement of fluids is what we call convection. Fluids include liquids and gases. Convection involves the motion of fluids in currents. When warm fluid rises, and cold fluid sinks, forming circulating currents. The heat moves from a higher temperature region to a lower temperature region. This movement continues until the fluid is evenly heated and you see bubbles forming, just like in this simple video clip. As you can see, the convection current, wherein the air warms and rises, air cools and sinks. Again, when you say convection, it is the transfer of heat by the movement of the heated parts of liquids or fluids. Let's check your understanding. Please bring out your notebook and answer this. Just write true if the statement is right and false if it is not. You may now begin. Let's check your answers. For number 1, convection is the reason why we have wind movements and local breezes. The answer is true. For number 2, convection involves the motion of fluids in circulating currents. The answer is true. Number 3, heat only transfers through liquids. The answer is false. Number 4, boiling of water is an example of convection. The answer is true. And lastly, when water is heated in a kettle, the molecules at the bottom get heated first. The answer is true. I do hope you get a perfect score. For your assignment, please draw an illustration on how heat transfer in liquid materials. That's all, kids. Thank you, kids, for listening. See you again next time. Stay safe, everyone. God bless.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please also click the subscribe button. Thank you.